first things first, gotta get my skill saw set up, plugged in. Today I will be cutting up my 4x1s. This is gonna go on the top part of my planter boxes. That way it helps with the structure, and also it keeps anybody from like cutting their fingers or anything on the corrugated metal. The last one to cut. Right there. Right there. Alrighty, so I have never done angles before. I'm about to attempt a 45-degree angle, and from what I am seeing, whenever I have my board to 3 1/4, that's where I get this edge is like right in the center here. So we'll see what happens. Let me go on ahead and move this like that and try it out. So 3 1/4. with me. That looks about right. I hit right at the tip. Now it sticks this side. 3 1/4. Here. I think that's nice. Nice and smooth right on the edges. Let's continue. That's for 2 of my beds. Look at those angles. Look how pretty. Perfect. Excellent. Alrighty, so I have cut all of my boards plus some. All I really needed was 16 since I only have enough for 4 4x4 boxes, but as you can see, I cut all of these angles and we're gonna do an angle check to see how well these fit. So I can show y'all. I did each one the exact same, so they should fit beautifully, just like that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited. These are gonna be so pretty, and now I guess it's on to staining. After it warms up, I gotta run into town, get my hardware cloth that's gonna be going in the bottom of these planter boxes. We have a lot of moles and we're out in the country, so lots and lots of things like to try and dig up into our gardens, so into our plants and stuff. So I'm gonna have to go grab that, and when I come back later, we'll get started on the stain.